Handcuffs are of the simplest design. They have only 3 moving parts: the shackle arm, locking cam, and double locking feature. If the double locking feature is in the open position, any straight, thin object can be inserted through the keyhole, catching the locking cam and driving it down. This frees the shackle arm and opens the cuff. The lifter pick, if available, is perfectly suited to picking handcuffs. The ease of picking handcuffs relies heavily on how the handcuffs are placed on the subject. The easiest is with the keyhole facing away from the body, as seen here. If the keyhole is facing the body, it is slightly more difficult as the hands must now be rotated to gain access to the keyhole. This technique is impossible with hinged cuffs, in which case the pick would be placed in the mouth to gain access to the keyhole. This is difficult at best. The greatest scenario is when only one hand is shackled, as this allows for an immediate free hand. This is common when 2 individuals are shackled together, or an individual is shackled to an object. When the double locking feature is on, a bar on the bottom of the cuff slides sideways, preventing the locking cam from moving down. This inhibits standard picking, shimming, and further tightening of the shackle arm. To apply the double locking feature on most cuffs, a pin on the side of the lock is depressed, sliding the bar into place. To disengage the double locking feature, it is necessary to slide the locking bar away from the keyhole. This can be accomplished by using a lifter pick, bobby pin, or other suitable thin item. Once the locking bar has been slid out of the way, the cuff can then be taken